Today, we'll be breaking down one of the most talked about quantum plays in the market. Quantum Computing Inc., ticker QUBT. Is this the next big tech revolution stock, or is it just hype? Let's dive in and find out. So, what exactly is Quantum Computing Inc.? Based in the US, this company is building photonics-based quantum computing systems and specialized quantum communication hardware. Their main goal is to unlock quantum advantage for solving extremely complex problems in areas like optimization, cybersecurity, and high-performance computing tasks. They're not just a theoretical lab. They're aiming to deliver real-world quantum power. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. Quantum computing isn't just a sci-fi dream anymore. Global research and corporate investment are accelerating at an incredible pace. Tech giants like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are all in a race to build powerful, fault-tolerant quantum machines. Analysts believe this technology could completely reshape industries like artificial intelligence, logistics, cryptography, and even energy modeling. Within this emerging landscape, QUBT stands out as one of the few pure-play public companies, which is why it is firmly on the radar of forward-thinking investors looking for the next big thing. So what makes QUBT unique in this crowded and competitive field? First is their photonics approach. The company's technology is based on something called thin-film lithium niobate photonics. In simple terms, this could lead to quantum systems that don't need the expensive cryogenic cooling that many of their competitors rely on. This is a huge potential advantage. Second is their commercial traction. QUBT recently secured its first major commercial sale in the US from a top 5 bank, which is a massive validation of their technology. Third, they are shipping first-of-their-kind products, like the first commercial entangled photon source delivered to a research institution in South Korea. This marks a critical shift from research to real-world application. Finally, they have a strong cash position, with over $300 million in liquidity. QUBT has a long runway to innovate and fund its growth without needing to immediately dilute shareholder value. With all that in mind, it's easy to see why some investors are getting very excited. If fault-tolerant quantum machines become a mainstream, this could become a multi-trillion-dollar industry. QUBT stock has already shown some explosive swings, outperforming many of its peers at times, which signals significant upside potential for early believers. As the company continues to sign more real-world deals and hit strategic milestones, those who get in early could see some truly outsized gains. This is the kind of ground-floor opportunity that many investors dream of. However, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. This is definitely high-risk, high-reward territory. First, the company has tiny revenue compared to its high valuation. The enormous multiples mean that traditional fundamentals don't support its current price. It's all based on future potential. Second, commercialization is still in its very early stages. Quantum machines are not yet widely adopted, and we're a long way from them being a standard business tool. And third, the stock's volatility is extreme. Massive price swings, both up and down, happen often. So this is not a set-and-forget stock. It's speculative and requires constant research and a strong stomach for risk. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. So to wrap it all up, if you believe that quantum computing is the next great technological frontier, then QUBT offers one of the most targeted pure plays available on the public market. The key is to watch for signals of commercial adoption, keep an eye out for earnings catalysts, and monitor any new industry partnerships. It might be worth considering for a small, speculative portion of your tech portfolio. But always manage your risk smartly and consult your financial advisor. If you enjoyed this deep dive on emerging tech stocks like QUBT, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment below with what stock or technology you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching.